Hello, everybody. I am Teacher Brett, and this is Native English School. This video is part 4 in our reading program. In this video, we will practice reading short words with the long and short vowel sound for A, E, I, O, U. And be sure to practice until you can read each slide by yourself without listening to me. All right, let's get started. Vowel A. You have long A and short E. Man, main, ran, rain. Pan, pain. Can, cane. Ban, bane. Fat, fate. Hat, hate. Rat, rate. Mat, mate. Lack, lake. Sack, sake. Tack, take. Back, bake. Jack, Jake. Rack, rake. Cap, cape. Tap, tape. Gap, gape. All right. Long E and short E. Bet, beat. Set, seat. Pet, Pete. Met, meet. Dell, deal. Hell, heel. Tell, teal. Sell, seal. Fell, feel. Well, wheel. Men, mean. Ben, bean. Jen, Jean. Bed, bead. Red, read. Lead, lead. Ned, need. Wed, weed. Pep, peep. Peck, peak. Long I, short I. Bit, bite. Sit, sight. Kit, kite. Fit, fight. Lit, light. Hid, hide. Rid, ride. Pip, pipe. Rip, ripe. Dim, dime. Tim, time. Pin, pine. Fin, fine. Din, dine. Win, wine. Shin, shine. Pill, pile. Quit, quite. Wit, white. Lick, like. Pick, pike. Mit, might. Long O, short A. Bought, boat. caught, coat, dot, dote, got, goat, not, note, rot, wrote, cop, cope, mop, mope, sop, soap, hop, hope, rod, road, cod, code, Todd, toad, nod, node, jock, joke, sock, soak, pock, poke, Ross, rose, dom, dome, John, Joan, long U, short cut, cute, mutt, mute, cub, cube, rub, rube, tub, tube, us, use, duck, duke, luck, luke, puck, puke, hug, huge, dud, dude, run, rune. This is short vowel sound reading practice. At, bat, cat, fad, cap, map, nav, ben, deb, fez, hep, gel, men, pet, vet, yen, bin, fin, gib, hit, kim, miss, nip, riv, win, bob, cob, dop, got, hot, job, lawn, Ross, sod, butt, dug, gup, jum, cut, rut, was, your, vud. This is reading practice, long vowel sound. 8, late, Kate, fade, cape, maid, knave, tape, waif, bean, peak, weed, leap, read, mean, bead, peep, need, boat, coat, dote, goat, hote, mope, soap, hope, note, boon, tube, juke, soon, cute, rune, dude, fuse, mute. Okay, good job. You made it. Now practice that again and again until you can do it without having to listen to me. Good job. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.